We're going! We're recording! They can't hear a sound though. You wanna play now?
Well, I got a new spray called I Love You spray.
Called the I Love what?
It's a bedwars spray. It's
Oh!
I Love You.
Oh, yeah. It makes your, thing pink. Your wool. No, it makes your wool pink, or it makes your arrows have love hearts shooting out of them.
Or maybe it's... Oh! Michael! I think I know what it is. Oh. I don't even realize what that is.
I know what it is.
Oh, that's creepy. That's where my laptop just died.
Oh, okay.
Where's my charger? Dang it. Did it say I disconnected?
Nope, you're just staring. But hurry up, because you're blocking a spot.
Oh.
Now it says you disconnected. You can make it, Rocky.
And then...
And reconnect.
What if our bed gets destroyed and I reconnect?
You come back to life still.
Really?
Because it didn't count.
I tried that before and it didn't work actually.
Because it only works when you're in a party.
Oh, I died. I just need to respawn. Dang, that's a lot. Maybe I can buy a fireball now.
Buy a fireball then.
To keep us safe.
Safe. I like safe. It sounds so safe.
Safe.
And it's also stupid. No, I'm just kidding. Alright.
Don't make me do this, dude.
No, seriously, stop. Why are you dying? You're battling? Okay. I'm protecting the bed. Warn me if Blue's coming.
Blue is coming.
No, yeah, I see him.
I got this.
And take that. Nice job.
Thanks.
I got enough for you.
They knew what's gonna happen, so they started blocking. Dang
Rocky.
Yeah.
I have enough gold for you to have iron armor. Here you go.
Awesome.
Where are you?
I'm over here.
Where?
Oh shoot! Okay, I'll be back. Sure, bye.
Just leave them. It's gonna take a while. Jeez. Here.
Okay,
Take.
put it in this chest right here.
This. Here.
Okay.
Now buy some iron armor and we're fighting these bad boys.
Like there's no tomorrow? Even better.
Now. Permanent shears.
Is this permanent?
Forever. No, permanent means it stays there forever, or unless if it's like clothing, I guess you could cut it off, I guess. I'm gonna cut the wool piece. Better get ready to fight. Oh, come on!
At least our iron armor could be kicked off, right?
I can't believe that just happened.
And the bed was destroyed by
Okay.
one.
But what the fuck? I just did a perfect thing, and look at this. Huh, huh. Let me try.
Imagine you failed too.
Made it. Oh my god.
That was fast. I kind of feel bad for Blue, right?
Feel bad for Blue in any sort of way. Ooh, they built a bridge to the middle.
I'm gonna get there before you.
Go! Wait, I'm lagging. Okay. Oh, I didn't get there because I was lagging. Get diamond armor.
2.
Got 2 emeralds. Stay up here.
We'll kill anyone that comes over us. Got an axe? What the?
I need a poo.
Of course you're in the
Like, I need a poo.
in the game.
No, in like real life, but we're recording, so I'm gonna have to.
Hey Michael, this one just dropped down.
You got 4?
I only got 3.
If we got 4, place obsidian on our bed. Oh, yellow team go. Oh, dang, our team's going after yellow team. Should probably go help. No, you stay there. Get.
Nope,
4.
there's a yellow building.
Just leave it. But just quickly, hurry. Get 6 emeralds so you can get diamond armor.
NVM.
NVM means never mind.
Dang. DAG. DAG, my god. Oh shoot.
You coming?
Yep.
Like at our base?
Yes.
Oh, dang it.
Oh. Yep.
You killed them?
No.
Oh my god, yellow's bed is destroyed. We can kill them.
Yeah, but I lost my 4 diamonds. My 4 emeralds.
It doesn't matter. We can still win this. Doesn't matter. We can still win this. Okay, Rocky?
With a bow? I have a freaking bow. Want to see my freaking bow? I'll show you my freaking bow. See this freaking bow? It's a freaking bow. Freaking bow. Freaking bow.
Stop!
Oh.
You always ruin stuff.
Dang. I just gotta do. But what are you gonna do? Yell at us? No, Michael, say no, but your face is still ugly. Fighting, aren't you?
Yep.
I got some few fireballs I can help you with.
Go! Rocky said those fireballs. You can. The whole red base is coming to the green base. We can kill them though. We can win this. We can win this, Rocky. We can freaking win this. Oh my god! I did those 2 parkour jumps and then I failed the 3rd one. Go, 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 go. Only add 1 parkour jump, okay?
Why?
So people could fall.
Why?
They're really stupid. Are they coming?
No.
What the heck is that? There's an invisible wall. Oh no.
What?
There's somebody trolling us in the.
What? A bow just went right through somebody.
Yeah, somebody's trolling us. And I'm on fire. That's just freaking great.
Wait, somebody set that on fire.
You can get flint and steel. Oh, it's just us left, Rocky.
By Fanta, really?
By Flinda.
Fanta, I thought it was.
This motherfucker wants to die tonight. Oh, you want a piece of this? Oh, sure. I'll give you a piece of lefty.
Yeah, they're little. Let's make them scram. I said
Something too early.
what? I don't get it.
He said something like, I wish Green Bed was destroyed, and he said it too early, and our bed was destroyed. Ugh, the freaking guy is so smart. Yeah.
Somebody's lagging me.
Huh? Wait, I need to poop so bad. I need to poop so bad. Poop so bad.
Oh my god, I survived that.
I'm gonna go on attack.
No, I'm dead. Go, Michael. Avenge me.
Okay, wait.
Michael, you have an axe that's stronger than an iron sword.
Who? She was so close to me.
Michael, don't.
Ah!
I told you don't.